Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change video resolution on LeadEdge A20 camera. And to do this, first we'll need to open our video settings. If you're not sure on how to access the settings, I recommend to watch our video on how to open the settings on this camera. Then when you're inside, we can go for the camera, make sure that it's selected like that. Then there's video resolution. Click on the shutter key, and here you'll be able to change between different resolution options by selecting it with the arrows. When you have the proper video resolution selected, click on the shutter key and it will change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.